What else do you do on a Wednesday midweek, hey? Go cruising. Just cruising out of Manly. The day. Yes, here we go. First little adventure from Manly. Good morning. How are we all going? So it's Wednesday and I'm not working. Guess where I'm going? Peel Island. This is the Peel Island anchorage on the northern side if you want to get out of the southerlies. So this is the northern side of Peel Island. Okay, it's a little anchorage. It's a little bit like the Hole on the western side of Waybreak Island on the Gold Coast, and I'll just show you. I presume when the tide goes out, that's all exposed. Quite pretty. That's Peel Island. Spent most of the morning here working. Someone's got to do it. So this is North Peel Island at low tide. Nice little anchorage. That's looking out over to Stratty. And those boats are going around the top of Peel Island around to Horseshoe Bay. Hey, we're heading across the top of Peel Island, the most eastern tip. I'll give you a little look, alright? Boat there in front of us. Yacht coming up aft. Thank God for cruise control, eh? Check this out. And again, there's some wrecks, top of Horseshoe Bay. And we come over the other side, North Stratty. Horseshoe Bay. This is Horseshoe Bay. Not a bad day either.
Put out a song called Midnight Sky.
Oh, a little bit more wind on the bay this afternoon. Check this out. Not as easy to manoeuvre around the external of the vessel. Sanuye just keeps banging away though. I feel safe in this boat.